Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In today's video, we are going to share with you a unique and amazing and really powerful strategy that you have never seen before. And I'm going to share with you a unique website that will get millions of views actually per month that you can use for absolutely free. So today's video is really amazing and really fascinating that you can simply use, and you can start promoting the products from the Clickbank or 𝐷𝐿24. It depends on you any network you are it's available for you, or it is available in your country. You can simply choose and sign up for a free account and start promoting your product right here. So if you are using the Clickbank or 𝐷𝐿24, it totally depends on you. It doesn't matter which website you are like or you have already signed up to that. So you can simply sign up and then log into your account right here. But in today's video, we will just simply use the Clickbank website actually for promoting the product right here. So the first step is that you need to sign up with the Clickbank. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account right here. I have already logged into my account, but you can simply log in and then you can simply go to the marketplace right here. And then you will see the interface something like this one right here. And then after that, you simply choose the subcategory at the bottom right here, or on the left side. You can simply see here, these are all the main categories that you can simply choose. So I have just used the health and fitness category in today's video that I can simply show you that how we can promote these offers right here. So if you scroll down, you will see the top converting offer like 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤 right here, and T-Born is another one which is also a great product and it is trending now. Gluco Trust is another product which is really awesome, and they have 279 gravity, means other people are promoting right here. So we can also promote at the backside. We can earn this amount of money right here. So here you can simply see the affiliate page and the seller contact or something like that, or we can simply also see here, for example, the offer right here, for example, that we can simply promote very easily without any hesitation or without any problem right here. So we can simply have a lot of and different offers right here, for example, like Java burn. If we just like to promote, so we can also promote like glucofort. That's another one which is related to leading blood sugar support. Okay, so that these are the different offers that we can simply use and start promoting right here. So what we need to do, the first step for us will be that we can simply choose right here the offer. So we can simply just go to the main sales page right here. This will be the main sales page right here, that discover a method to support a healthy blood sugar levels. And if we redirect someone with our own special link, so they will be just redirect to this page right here. And here we have also the affiliate tools area right here, that we have affiliate page. For example, the email swap, the images right here, we can simply have it. So these are the different email swap that we can simply have it, and we can simply sign up, and these will be the different images that we can simply download and use for our pre-promotion right here. We can simply use. So what we need to do, the first step for us will be that actually that we can simply choose the product. So this is the product that we have simply chosen right here, that we will simply promote. The next step for us will be that we simply go to the design article right here. So once you go to the design article right here, then you can simply choose a write or search, for example, anything like, for example, lose weight or something like that. You can simply just type, and then you can simply click on the search button. So once you click on the search button, you can simply find hundreds and thousands of free articles related to weight loss, that we can simply use it for absolutely free. So any page, sorry, any article that you are interested with that, or you like that, that we can simply promote, or that is related to our offer right here, we can simply just select that one. We can simply just open. You can simply find it out hundred thousands and millions of free articles right here on this website. As you can simply see here, these are all the different pages, and every single page there are a lot of free articles right here that we can use for our benefit right here. For example, I just select this one right here. I can simply promote. So what we need to do, I can simply just click on that. Okay, so once I click on that, so then I will just open this page will be pop up and show to us right here that this will be the title, for example, lose weight fast without losing your mind or something like that. And here we can simply find it out the whole article that somebody else has written, and they have just put the time and energy into that, and they have simply just used right here. So we can simply just copy and paste this one. Once we do that and find it out the article, the next step for us will be that we can simply just go to a Google Doc document right here. So once we go to a Google Doc documents right here, the next step for us will be that we can simply just copy the whole title and the whole article from here, step by step right here to this page right here, and we can just simply set up right here. So I can simply set up a little bit quickly to save your time right here. As you can simply see here, I just added the title right here. For example, this is the title, and here is the text or the whole article that I have just put it right here. And I also add the images which I have taken from the affiliate tools area, and then I can simply scroll down, and I also embed some of my affiliate links right here inside of this article right here. Okay, so I have used multiple times, like this is the first one. Here I have used another one, something like in the middle right here. At the bottom or at the end of the article, I have also used this right here. Okay, if somebody just click right here on these links, so they will be redirected to the sales page. Whenever they sales or purchase, so we get the commission right away there. So that is the coolest and smartest way that we can simply use and start making money from this tutorial right here. So if you implement this strategy properly, exactly what I'm teaching you right here, so you will be definitely having sales and you will be successful in this method and this strategy right here. So what we need to do, once we set up all these things right here, I simply copy and paste from this page right here and just paste it, and then I just simply go to this page right here and I click on the promote button, this button right here on the promote, and I just simply copy all these things, okay, from here. Okay, so what we need to do, we can simply do the same thing and the same strategy. Once we are done with this, the next step for us will be that we can simply go to this option insert right here. Sorry, not insert. Okay, we can simply just go right here to the file menu, and we can simply scroll down, and then we can simply have the option like download, and here we will have the option like PDF. So you just need to click on the PDF right here. Once we click on the PDF right here, download the PDF, so that will be changed and converted to PDF, and that will be downloaded right here. As you can simply see here, it is already downloaded. So once it is done, the next step for us will be that we can simply go to the free Trafic source right here, as I have promised you at the beginning of this video that we will have it right here. As you can simply see here, the free Trafic is academia.edu. So this is the main website URL that you can simply see here. You can simply search in the Google and you will be redirected to this page right here. So this is a free platform actually, with 57 million plus free Trafic source right here that you can simply see here. And this is really active free Trafic source that we can simply use and start promoting our product right here on this website. So what we need to do, we can simply just go to this website, and you can simply see here that 11% traffic is coming from the United States right here, then Indonesia, Mexico, Brazil, Colombia, and other rest of the other countries right here. So these are also great countries that we will have the free Trafic for absolutely free, with 57 million free Trafic source right here. So what we need to do, the first step for us will be that we can simply just visit to the main uh, website right here. This will be the main website, academia.edu. Okay, so you can simply visit to this page right here. As you can simply see here, 28 million plus PDFs for free, means people have uploaded right there, and their registered users are almost 181 million plus registered users they have, and many people uploaded papers are like 28 million plus uploads they have, means different books, papers and other things right here. And there are daily recommendation like 20 million around the world. Okay, so that is a popular website that we can simply use it for absolutely free. What we need to do, we can simply sign up for a pay account right here. Once we sign up, then we can simply log into our account. It will look the interface something like this one right here. Then you can simply submit your articles right here by just clicking this button, or you can simply just click on upload button. Once you click on the upload button, so then you can simply add something right here on this website. So here then you will have the three different options, something like upload documents, upload letter, upload video. Okay, so on upload documents we can simply click because the books are right here. Once we click on this, then we will be visited this page right here, and here we can simply select choose a file. So the file or the PDF file that we have simply downloaded, that we can simply upload it right here. Once we click on the upload button, it will be uploaded, and then we will have this page right over here. So here we can simply add the title and description and something like that. So the title is added automatically. For the description, you just need to go to the your main page right here, and we can simply just copy this first paragraph right here that we can simply use, and here you can simply just add it. Let me just add it here. And here you can simply just choose, for example, publication name is, for example, that will be this one right here. Okay, this will be the publication name, and this will be the date that we have a publication. And if you want to add, so you can simply add it like that. That's one DOI or number. Okay, if you don't want, so it doesn't matter. The authors will be selected right here automatically, but if you want to add anyone, you can simply add. It does not matter, it doesn't matter right here. For example, I'm adding another one also, Iris James. Okay, so James Irish, it is also great. Here you can simply add a research interest actually, so that will be a weight loss in something like that. Okay, weight loss surgery or weight loss sports. Okay, so that will be great. And then we can simply click on the publish button right here, save and publish. As you can simply see here, it's added. Would you like to open your paper to discussion and comments from your colleagues? If you just add yes, so it will be available for other people. Then click on the continue that you have just invited, and then simply click on the click no thanks. So once you click on that, so your paper will be live, and it is just uploaded right here on this website. Okay, introduce your research, for example, if you are interested. If you don't, so then leave it like that. So that is just loose. I mean, it is just added right here on this website. If you want to have for further information and further details, then people can simply download that right here. And here is the, for example, this document is currently being converted. Please check back in a few minutes. So after a few minutes, that will be shown right here very easily, means everybody can see that, and there will be no hesitation, no problem right away here. For example, if you just simply want to have more exposure and more engagement right here, then you just need to have your downloaded PDF and upload it to slideshare.com. Slideshare is also a great website for promoting any things or ebooks right here, because there are people that they have simply upload a simple PDF and they got 2 million views, for example 1.9 million views, 9.7 million views, something like that. And there are other people as well that they have just uploaded a single PDF files and they are getting tons of views right here and tons of engagements and sales from this website. So it is also a brilliant website right here, the slideshare.net, which you can simply use it for absolutely free here. So according to the similar web, they also got a lot of views right here, something like 76 million plus views per month they are getting, and most of the traffic is coming from Mexico, India, Colombia, Philippines, and United States. So this is also the greatest website to use and make money from that right away here. So hope you like the method and you are interested with that. If you want to have my step-by-step training from A to Z that how you can make money on a two-pillar system, check out the course link in the description of this video, and you will have a comprehensive training that how you can make exactly making money on a two-pillar system. So thank you for watching 10 Lakhs Brain video. See you awesome with enjoyable moment.